Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to enable the group policy in our home edition. So Windows doesn't provide the group policy in a home edition. So we can also enable it from our end. I will show you two commands to install the group policy on our Windows home edition. So without wasting our time, let's get started. First, go to search bar, then type as cmd and right click on it, run it as the administrator, click on yes button when the prompt opens. Since I'm using Windows Pro edition, so just copy this command. These are the two commands you can just need to copy. Okay, first you need to like this, paste this command and this will run. Okay, and I'm cancelling it since I have already group policy option, but let it finish and it will automatically install the package for you. So this is the first command. Okay, now one more command you need to type here. This is the command. Okay, and just you need to copy it. You can get these command in my description box directly, so you can paste on a notepad and then paste like this. Okay, and you need to hit enter like this and it will start. Once these two commands are done on your Windows, so you can access the group policies with Windows plus R button together. Have a gpedit.msc and open it. Okay, so this is very small video and short video like this. You should be able to access the Windows like this group policy. If yes, you can comment me. If you are facing any issue, you can also comment me. Okay, I will try to reply you. If after applying these two commands you are still not able to access the group policy, you can restart your system and try if your issue is solved or not. So hope this video is useful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.